All of our lasers are portable handheld laser units. They work with specific 5 milliwatt laser diodes, so they're not super powerful. They don't cut, they don't burn. They're classified as low-level lasers, which simply means, higher powered lasers cut and burn cells. Our lasers don't do that. We're working on the principle of giving very small amounts of coherent energy for the purposes of regenerating the cells. So in the case of facial rejuvenation, these are totally different than the kinds of lasers that are used by estheticians, which actually cut and slightly burn the skin. Ours don't do that at all. They're totally safe. They simply donate a subtle amount of energy to regenerate the tissue and the cells. In particular, our system is using 16 laser diodes. Like most companies, we use primarily red and infrared laser diodes. But what makes our scalar wave laser really unique is that we incorporate violet spectrum. We have violet lasers, we use violet LEDs. The violet spectrum is so essential because violet light holds more information than red light or other wavelengths of light. Basically, you have a spectrum of different wavelengths. Infrared is really good because infrared, in the laser industry, some lasers are all red, some are infrared. Our system combines both. Infrared lasers are non-visible and they go deeper. They're great for bone, tendon, cartilage, disc. We're delivering energy deeper into the body. The red lasers are more for surface stuff, skin, soft tissue, meridians, that type of stuff, nerve. So by incorporating both of them, we're able to reach all sorts of cells in a given area. If you're working on an elbow or a knee, we bathe all those cells with energy, photon-rich energy, with specific wavelengths to meet those different cells that are in that area. We then also bring in violet light. Now, violet is so important, and you'll see it now, but traditionally violet laser diodes were $2,000 up per diode, the diode alone, very expensive and very hard to get. Because violet lasers are very, very effective for working on things like DNA, they hold so much information that they open up a huge realm of possibility. That's why you're seeing DVDs now that are coming out with violet and blue, because they hold so much more information, it makes them way more advanced for gaming and DVDs. Thankfully, that is bringing the net price down of the violet diodes to be more affordable. And as they become more affordable, we've been integrating them into our laser systems. So the violet spectrum is super effective. We feel it has significant effects on stem cells, on telomerase, which is the enzyme in the DNA telomere process, which actually elongates the telomere, which means the cells can actually live longer and longer. It also has amazing, blue and violet has been found to be really good for skin. It's really antibacterial. It has so many health-promoting benefits that we really incorporate a lot of violet. Not to mention, in the color spectrum, violet brings all the colors together. So it's very good at unifying energy. So you'll see when we get into the demonstration, you'll see the violet light that comes out of our lasers. In addition to the violet light technology that we have in our systems, we also incorporate a fully digital interface. The fully digital interface is pretty revolutionary in the laser industry, and what it enables us to do is to run many frequencies simultaneously. For one, you can program your own frequencies. You can dial in any number of frequencies. The digital processor, the processor that we use in there, enables us to also store. You can keep hundreds of frequency protocols built into the laser. In addition, it comes with a number of frequency protocols that are our favorites that we use and that we find to be super effective. The digital interface enables us to then take the frequency, not just the frequency, we can hold hundreds of frequencies, but we then get into adjusting the relativity of the light. And that's what our patent really centers around. It's addressing the relativity of the light in unique ways. And as a result of that, we're able to create very unique waveforms that can be used for all sorts of things. It's sort of a wide open tapestry which you can use it for. It'll come pre-programmed with our specific favorites and really effective protocols, but it also gives you, the user, the opportunity to design your own custom protocols and situations to use for whatever you want to use the laser for.